which is used to accelerate the gas, which is used to push the bullet ahead. So how it works, potential energy of the gas is converted into kinetic energy, hence velocity is increased, while pressure is also minimized, and right side of it has larger area and left side of it has lower area, which is by using this gas is accelerated.
After the gas release, you can see the reading here. After the gas release, the gas will go into this PU tube and again to this reservoir. And you can see here the reading. The needle raises up because we have entered the gas into this. That's why the needle has raised up.
So this is a PU tube, polyurethane tube. So in this the gas fills. So we are going to lubricate in this. The lubrication is because of to smoothen the inner surface. The lubrication also works to reduce the friction in the surface and inner surface. So get in this. The lubrication is because of to smoothen the inner surface. The lubrication also works to reduce the friction in the surface and inner surface.
This is the pressure gauge. It is useful to measure the pressure inside the pipe. There is a curved metallic tube inside the pressure gauge. When the air enters the tube, it pushes the tube and it tries to make it tighten. The moment the needle starts to move up or down. When the pressure increases, the needle starts to move up. When the pressure decreases, the needle starts to move down. See, the outside edges are in PSI and the inside edges are in kg per centimeter square.
This is the gate wall. This must be closed before opening the gas to pass into the PU tube. And this is the key to open the gas tube for passing the PU tube. This is the helium cylinder and this is the pressure gas regulator. This is the helium pressure gas regulator. We use this one. We are using this one because this is the helium gas and this is the key to let gas pass into this PU tube. This is the PU tube in which the gas enters into this reservoir. And this is the way that which we open the gas. Close this one and we should gently move it. After closing, we should close it tightly and we should get the minimum reading. That's why, and we should close it very tightly so the gas will not.
So this is vacuum generator. It is used to generate vacuum. Initially it is closed. So to generate vacuum, we will gently open it so that diaphragm there does not burst. So first of all, we on it. This sound indicates the vacuum generator is on. So now we gently on this gate. So vacuum generation is start. Here, when we off it, this shows that this handle goes up, showing that vacuum generation is started.
This is the projectile we are using. This one is lightweight, weighing about 2 to 4 grams, and this is designed to fit tightly in this barrel. This is optimized to minimal drag. Now we will load this bullet using a PU type and traditional one. There is a mark over here which shows that the projectile is straight up to the end. We are putting a thread from this end. This is the projectile catcher filled with sand inside, and this will decelerate the projectile coming at a higher velocity to 0.